a guide to earning money online through YouTube. Introduction. Host. Welcome to our video, where we'll discuss how you can earn money online through YouTube. YouTube has become a popular platform for content creators to showcase their skills, share knowledge, and generate income. Today, we'll explore various strategies you can use to monetize your YouTube channel and start earning money. Let's get started. Setting up your YouTube channel. Host. The first step is to create a YouTube channel if you haven't already. Choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about and that has an audience interested in it. Make sure to create high-quality and engaging content to attract viewers and subscribers. Enable monetization. Host. Once your channel meets YouTube's requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to enable monetization. To be eligible, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Advertising revenue. Host. The primary way to earn money on YouTube is through advertising revenue. When you enable monetization, YouTube will display ads on your videos. You earn money based on the number of ad views or clicks. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the higher your earnings. Sponsorships and brand deals. Host. As your channel grows, you may attract the attention of brands and companies interested in collaborating with you. Sponsored videos or brand deals involve promoting a product or service in exchange for compensation. Make sure to disclose any sponsorships transparently to maintain trust with your audience. YouTube Premium revenue. Host. YouTube Premium is a subscription-based service where users pay a monthly fee to enjoy ad-free content. When YouTube Premium members watch your videos, you receive a portion of the subscription fee based on watch time. Channel memberships. Host. YouTube offers a feature called channel memberships that allows your subscribers to become channel members by paying a monthly fee. In return, they receive exclusive perks like badges, emojis, or access to members-only content. This provides an additional source of income. Merchandise and product sales. Host. Once you have a dedicated fan base, consider creating and selling merchandise related to your channel. This can include t-shirts, hats, or branded merchandise. You can also promote and sell your own products or digital goods, such as e-books or online courses. Crowdfunding and donations. Host. Some viewers may be willing to support your channel through donations.